Devastating, that's through there. Goofy. It's just bad. They've been through there. There's Giovanni's. Down over here is Treadway. No, that's standing. That's all ruined. The video store, gas station, Liberty Heights Apartments, all ruined. It's terrible. The New Mexican restaurant. All this, it just looks like a worst little town you could be in as far as the look of it. You wouldn't even think how clean looking it was, you know, a couple days ago. It just looks like a bomb went off here. The tombstones up here on the graveside, it's all laying down. Most all the tombstones look. But it's demolished pretty much. And then here we are coming to Justin's Barbershop, Dustin's I think, and then the Home Health place, and this is gone over here, the dollar store, the old dollar store building that was for sale. Community center is actually standing, and the Board of Education's pretty much gone. You can see it, pretty much going to be hard to replace it. I have to just make a new one. That over there kills me. It's just awful. Hate it so bad for them. That is just like the trees laid down like matchsticks. They've boarded up the windows, of course, over here at the old school, but all these are electric people's trying to clean up. And here's the therapy and the water district buildings over here. The old library. Physical therapy's all tore up. All these homes. Christian church, devastated. Hurts my soul to see it. This is destroyed through here. That old grocery they were trying to sell. The Rite Aid. Pretty bad. Methodist church, like again, like I said, it hurts my heart. Here's Commercial Bank, looking at it. Drive through, no more. Pawn shop, all that area, devastated, devastated. Commercial Bank, Main Street, McKenzie, Sherrills, Seasons Florist, all gone. Here's the courthouse, all them old trees is gone. Buildings pretty much bloated in the glass. Here coming up on Radio Shack. Down there. It's bad though down through there. Here's the home house building. We were in there earlier. Got some pictures. It just destroyed it. There's the McKenzie store. I mean the little fish place, pool room. Think of it in a minute. House next to Lillian Nichols is completely destroyed. Haven of Hope Church is destroyed. The Baptist church here on the corner is destroyed. It's just bad. The new building, got the windows blowed in on the back side. Not bad. This little man's house, I hate that for him. I don't know how he is, ain't heard. Peyton's Plaza, my grandfather built, used to be Oakfield Plaza. It's, you know, you see it. There's debris coming up on Randy Halsey. Just the area and how it all, there's the sign for Best Auto hanging by a thread. Christy McClure's old home. Just bad. There's just nothing else to say. This is just bad. I'm going to try to take a drive down here on Riverside, but look at the flooding over here. That always floods, but the river's way, way up. I want you all to see the hospital. See the hill up at the hospital. Here's homes down here. All of this trailer standing, I wasn't sure it would be. I'm going to take a right-hand turn down here towards All Mill Park. Here's the trees in Kent Nichols' yard. Miss Beth's home is still standing. We got lucky. It's devastating, but yet lucky. I mean, the river is up about 100 feet from where it should be. And you can see the hospital up there. You could never see the hospital before, but now there's... This is another view coming back around from the apartments. The electric lines are laying right here in the road. Down on my level. Here's Lynn Nichols' house. It was a miracle it didn't take it out because he was right in the path. They're already repairing that damage. There's the worst of it right there. The hospital. It's just devastating.